Welcome to Tooltech Geek. What if we put 16 very different multi-tools into a big tournament to see which one is going to win? I picked 16 very different multi-tools, some name brands, some very cheap ones. They are going to battle each other by comparing them two at a time. I will use a programmable calculator to pick randomly 3 features from a list. Each tool will get points for being best at the features we randomly pick, so you will see there's an element of luck involved. Features we're going to use are weight. The lighter tool will get point for being easier to carry. Price. The cheaper tool will get the point. Pocket clip. If one tool has a pocket clip and the other doesn't, the one with the pocket clip will get a point. Functions. The tool with the most functions wins. EDC size. This is a total length when the tool is folded. A shorter tool will win because it's easier to carry. Plier opening. The tool that has a larger opening from tip to tip of the plier head wins. The idea is to capture if a multi-tool can hold on to a larger object. Let's get started. We're going to start with the first round, and we have the Gerber Suspension NXT on one side. On the other we have the Leatherman Bond. We are going to pick some categories randomly: weight, plier, and clip. Weight 185, 164. The Bond gets point. Plier 2849. The Bond gets a point. Clip. The Gerber gets a point. The winner is the Bond. The Gerber suspension is eliminated. Next contestants: SOG PowerPint and Shred Tough. Weight, plier, and size. Let's see. Weight 118 versus 230. PowerPint wins. Plier 64 versus 37. PowerPint wins that point. Size 82 versus 119. PowerPint wins this round. Shred is eliminated. The next two are the Spirit X from Victorinox and the Gordon from Harbor Freight. Let's pick some categories randomly: weight, size, and functions. Weight, Gordon wins. Size 10.7. This is 10.7 centimeters. I need to fix that. This is 107 millimeters. So the Gordon wins nevertheless. And the other was functions. We have 24 versus 20. So the Gordon is the winner. Next two, the Schal, and this that I'm calling the Teal because it has a long name. Let's pick categories: size, price, and functions. Size 106, 102. Schal is winning. Price 14 versus 35. TL is cheaper. Functions. 18 versus 17. The Shao is the winner. Now we get two more from this side. Next tool, Sailor Mini versus Gerber Dime. Let's pick some categories. Plier, price and size. Plier, the winner, narrowly is the dime. Price, 24-24, it's a tie for the price. Size, 67-70. So the winner here, Sailor Mini. We have a tie. We have to pick categories again. Clip size and weight. None of them have a clip. Size wins the Sailor. This is because of the bottle opener that makes the Gerber a little longer. Let's see, weight. 84 and 66, we have a tie again. We will have to run categories again. Weight, clip and plier. Weight wins the dime. None of them has pocket clip. Plier opening is a narrow win for the dime. Wow. The dime remains in the tournament. Next two contestants. Gerber Weiss and Roxxon M2. Let's pick some categories. Clip, weight and plier. Okay. Definitely a clip on the Roxxon. Weight is 67. The Gerber Weiss wins on weight. Plier 23 versus 25. The Roxxon M2 wins and stays in the competition. Next two tools. Guidesman Relay versus Work Pro. Let's pick categories. Clip, plier and price. Work Pro has clip. Plier size 38 versus 23. And price is relay, but not enough, so the relay is eliminated. Work Pro remains in competition. Now the last two multi-tools of this round are the Ghost Change and the DL30 Thai Camping, also sold as Bybury on Amazon. Let's pick categories. Functions, price and clip. Functions 18 versus 31. The Thai Camping / Bybury is winning. Price 16. Wow. Clip. This has a clip and this one doesn't. That does it for the Thai Camping. So we have our tools for the next round. Next two tools to compete. Bond versus SOG PowerPoint. Big categories: size, functions, and price. I know which one's gonna win size. 82 versus 102 millimeters. Next one was functions. We have 14 versus 18. Wow. Then we have price. 37 is a complete win for the PowerPoint. Remains for the next round. Now we have the Gordon and Shaw. Gordon versus Shaw, who's gonna win? This could be a tough one. Big categories: plier, weight, and size. Plier 46 versus 34. The Gordon wins that one. Weight 243, 267. Wow, the Gordon is winning. Size 103, 102. Then the Gordon makes it to the next round, and the Shaw is eliminated. Now from this side, we have the Roxxon M2 and Gerber-Dime. We are going to pick some categories: clip, pliers, and size. The M2 gets a point again for having a clip. Now let's see plier size. 25, 22. M2 wins. Size 70. The dime is slightly smaller, but didn't get 20 points, so it's eliminated. So the M2 goes to the next round. Now we have these last two tools competing. Work Pro versus Ghost Change. Let's pick the categories: functions, price, and size. Functions are tied. We have a tie on functions. Price 25 versus 16. The Ghost wins with price. And size, this is a win for the Work Pro. So all in all, this is a tie. We have to run again, more categories. Price, functions, and clip. Well, they both have clip, so that's a tie. Functions 18, that's also a tie. And then price is, I think price will do it. Yes. The Ghost wins because of price. Unbelievable. The Work Pro was eliminated for just a small difference in price. This concludes this round. We are now at the semi-finals. PowerPoint versus Gordon. Who's gonna win? Weight, function, and plier. Weight is a win for the PowerPoint. Functions 18 versus 20. The Gordon. Now they are tied up. Plier size 46, 54, 64. Oh, the PowerPoint does it again with the plier size. It seems a bit unfair. Gordon, unfortunately, is eliminated. He was a favorite of some people. So PowerPoint goes to the final. Which one of these two will go to the final? We have a Roxxon M2 and gauge change. Let's pick some categories. Clip, weight, and plier. They both have clips, so that's a tie. Weight. Weight is 120. Weight is a win for the Roxxon M2. Plier 25, 31. It's a win for the gauge. So this means this is a tie and we have to run again some more categories. Functions, clip, and size. Functions 14 versus 18. The gauge gets a point. Clip, they both have clips. Size 72. We are tied again. Unbelievable. We will have to run categories again. This is a really tough contest. Let's see. Functions, clips, and weight. We have 14 versus 18. Clip is always a tie. And weight 120. We are tied again. These two tools are very hard to eliminate. Functions, size, and plier. Let's see. Functions 18 versus 14. Size is a win for the smaller tool. 72 versus 104. That's on plier. We have 31 versus 25. So the gauge finally wins this round with great effort. So the gauge is the finalist. Now we have two finalists. SOG PowerPoint versus the gauge. Which one is going to win? Price, size, and functions. Wow. Let's see. Price. Gauge wins in price. Size. The PowerPoint is more compact. Functions 18 versus 18, it's a tie. Wow, this is a tie. We have to get more categories. Plier, weight, and clip. Both have clips, so that's gonna be tie for that last point. In weight, the PowerPoint is superior, but in plier size also the PowerPoint is superior because it can open more than anything. So the gauge is eliminated and the winner of this contest is SOG PowerPoint. The PowerPoint, in a way, we can say is cheating because these pliers open super wide, but it's not really usable. However, according to the rules of this contest, this won fair and square. So congratulations, PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.